Everyone, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a study with me, as I haven't done one of these in a little while, and as it is the half term I had a fair bit to do. So today I'm going to be showing you what I got up to on just kind of like a morning in the half term where I was doing some studying. So I started off by doing my media homework. So we had to analyse a horror film poster of our choice and then fill out this grid about it. So I chose to do the Scream poster from the 1996 film. I haven't seen the film, but I just chose the poster as I had enough to say about it. So yeah, I just looked over it on the internet and then kept filling out the boxes, and I also just looked at other people's opinions on the poster as well, just in case I had missed anything out. So that's what I did for most of the morning, as this did take a while trying to analyse everything, also finding out information about the film itself, the narrative, the production, etc. Once I finished filling out that grid, we just had to write 2 paragraphs about how the poster is able to attract the target audience. So that didn't take me very long, it took about 10 minutes, just using the notes I'd made in the grid already, and then I just wrote them out into 2 paragraphs and answered that question. So this next part of the video is very kindly sponsored by Wondershare. If you've heard of them before, they do have an editing software, but today I was trying out their new PDFelement, and basically this is where you can create and edit your own PDFs, and I found this really useful. Sometimes I don't want to print everything out, but I still want to annotate and highlight and things like that. So I uploaded one of my geography documents. It was only a few pages just on case studies, and then I was able to use the tools and go through and add any text or highlight any information. As for me, I really like to highlight key statistics. So that's what I went and did. I went and highlighted any numbers and key statistics in yellow. This is such a useful tool if you are a student. Right now there is a free trial which you can try out, and then it is 40% off at the moment. So everything will be linked in the description box for you, but I'd really recommend this. So cheap and affordable, but also such a useful tool if you're doing your GCSEs, A-levels, you're at uni, anything really. It's so helpful, and this is just going to be perfect because this means I don't have to print everything off now. So it's, again, saving the environment, which is even better. Once I had finished my geography, I went ahead and did some sociology. So this was my third A level that I had to do something for. So over the past couple of weeks, we have done some homework tasks, but I haven't started making all the revision resources. So what I've been doing for each topic is I've been making the notes for homework, the mind map, and then the flashcards. So here I was making mind maps for topics 5 and 6, which are social identity and gender. I'm on the OCR exam board, so this is under 1A. So yeah, that's just what I went through and did. Made my mind maps and then highlighted all the information. And yeah, although the red highlighter didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to, the mind map still had all the useful information on it that I needed. So because not everything fits on one mind map, I did make two. As you can see here, I just made the second mind map. It wasn't as full, but it just had all the other information on it that didn't quite fit on the first one. And then after this, I moved on to making the second mind map. So for each topic, I do have a color scheme, and that's kind of how I remember things. I can remember, oh, this topic was this color, and things like that. I really hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Would you like to see more study with me's in the future? Let me know in the comments section. And if you are interested in purchasing the PDFelement software, then all the links will be down below in the description box and comment section for you, as well as on my other social media pages. So make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.